90-year-old Margaret Keenan is the first person in the world to receive the coronavirus vaccine officially outside of clinical trials. The second vaccine recipient is 81-year-old William Shakespeare. Both recipients got vaccinated at the University Hospital in Coventry, UK, with the UK being the first country to give regulatory approval to the Pfizer vaccine. December 8 was dubbed V-Day by the country's health secretary, and it was also the same day when the vaccination rollout began across the country. The secretary also said that December 8 was the beginning of the end of the pandemic. However, the rollout of the vaccine is going to be a difficult task, especially in remote areas. Also, the UK government has to overcome skepticism around the vaccine's safety, despite claims that no corners have been cut in its development.